Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Pirisi. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add bank account to your Tango app. So if you want to know how to add bank account to your Tango app, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. On your Tango app here, all you need to do is to log in and log in your Tango app account. On your Tango app here, all you need to do is to open your Tango app and log in your account. So guys, let us quickly head over to our business. All you need to do here is to click on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Click on that. On your profile here, all you need to do is to scroll down so you guys to get money. Click on get money. Once you click on that, you can see add withdrawal mode. Click on add withdrawal mode. Then click on bank transfer. Once you click on that, all you need to do is to put in your full name, your bank name, your account number. So guys, that is the way you can add your bank accounts to your Tango app. So guys, if you found this video useful, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you guys in my next video. Bye.